this part of the equation here can be expressed as 2 to the x squared. So we can write 2 to the x squared. It's the same thing as 2 to the 2x minus 6 times 2 to the x plus 5 equals 0. We can let y equals 2 to the x. So let 2 to the x equals y. Therefore, I would have y squared minus 6y plus 5 equals 0. And here we can factorize this quadratic equation. So we have y times y and minus 5 times 1. Therefore, y equals 5 and y equals 1. So we can find the value of x then. When y equals 5, we have then 2 to the x equals to 5. This exponent here can be written as a log. Therefore, we have x equals to log 5 base 2. And we can now find the value of x when y is 1. So when y equals 1, then we have 2 to the x equals 1. Again, we can write this in log form. So we have log 1 base 2 would equal to x. So here this would equal to 0 because the log of 1 is 0 anyway. So that's 0. Let's use our calculator to work out the value of x here. Log 5 base 2. So log 5 base 2. So to three significant figures, x is equal to 2.32. So x equals 2.32 to three significant figures. And x equals 0. Let us look at question 2. So we have 4 into 3 to the 2x plus 1. This can be expressed as 3 to the 2x times 3 to the 1 plus 17 times 3 to the x minus 7 equals 0. So we can have 3 times 4, that's 12. And inside the bracket here, 3 to the 2x can be written as 3 to the x squared plus 17 times 3 to the x minus 7 equals 0. Let 3 to the x equals y, or let y equals 3 to the x. So let 3 to the x equals y. Therefore, we have 12y squared plus 17y minus 7 equals 0. So this part of the equation here, we can factorize this stage. Therefore, we have 3y times 4y, that would be 12y squared, minus 1 times 7, that equals 0. Therefore, y equals 1 over 3, or y equals minus 7 over 4. So we can find the value of x when y is 1 over 3. So when y equals 1 over 3, or 3 to the minus 1, we have 3 to the x then is equal to 3 to the minus 1. So x equals minus 1. There are no values of x when y is minus 7 over 4. Let's look at question 3. 3 to the 2x plus 1 can be expressed as 3 to the 2x times 3 to the 1 minus 26 times 3 to the x minus 9, and that equals 0. 3 to the 2x can be written as 3 to the x squared times 3, put the 3 in front now, minus 26 times 3 to the x minus 9 equals 0. Let 3 to the x equals y. Therefore, I have 3y squared minus 26y minus 9 equals 0. And here we can factorize this part of the equation and solve for y, and then we can work out the value of x. So we can have y times 3y, and then we have minus 9 times positive 1. So it means that y equals 9 and y equals minus 1 over 3. So y equals minus 1 over 3. So we can find the value of x then when y equals 9. When y equals 9 or 3 squared. Therefore we have 3 to the x equals 3 squared. So x equals 2. And when y is minus 1/3, there are no values of x. So this is unsustainable. Thank you very much. There are no